Alright guys, what is up? What is up? I am going to do the second hardest song full combo. Literally so hard. It is so hard. I am going to full combo. I have never seen anyone full combo it. And I mean uh, uh I'm gonna full combo it because and like first ever full combo, okay? First ever full combo. Oh my god, it's going to be so epic. So epic. I know, right? I'm so good at this song that I can full combo it. Oh my god, I am full comboing. I am so full comboing. I literally am so hacking. There's no way I am this good. I swear if the video like ends for no reason, I'm gonna be mad. Last video I tried doing this, but it ended like mid song for no reason. Oh my god, I full combo! I full combo! I'm so good! Full combo! I am literally so hacking! I am so hacking! I am full combo! Oh my god! This is so epic! Oh my god, full combo! Oh my god, I am so hacking! Full combo! Full combo, lettuce go! Foot lettuce! I'm so hacking! Full combo! Full combo, let's go! Alright guys, that is the end of this video. It was super epic recording this video, getting the first ever